everyone, today in this video we're going to see how loud the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni self-empty is. If you're interested in the T80, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's empty the dustbin and see how loud it gets.
About to start auto-empty. You might hear a little noise.
So we peaked at 75.7 decibels, but I believe most of that came from the notification via the voice assistant telling us that the self-empty was about to happen. The unit itself was very quiet, so we're going to run that one more time and see how loud it is, not factoring in the voice. So I stand corrected, it really didn't make much of a difference. We peaked at 75 decibels still, but it definitely seems to be on the quieter side.